Dear participants of the 6th International Workshop on Computer Modeling and Intelligent Systems, I welcome you in our workshop in online remote mode on the basis of the National University Zaporizhzhia Polytechnic. This year for us was very hard because Ukraine has a military attack from the Russia, and many of Ukrainian scientists are moved to different cities and countries, but we hardly worked during this year and during this workshop to prepare and organize our event for our participants worldwide and participants especially from Ukraine, making possible to present new scientific developments and discuss them according to our scientific event. I hope that next year we will have a possibility to organize our workshop in the conditions of peace. So I wish for all our participants and our PC members, our reviewers, and all our colleagues worldwide strong peace and power to further development.